Walking into a dark hallway and fumbling for a plastic switch feels like living in a different century. We want our homes to react to us. We want the lights to glow warm when the sun sets and pulse with energy when we put on a movie. This brings us to the undisputed heavyweight champion of the industry, Philips Hue. This system is the gold standard for a very specific reason. It is not just about a single bulb. It is an entire ecosystem designed to function as one unit. You have the central hub, known as the bridge, which acts like the brain of your entire house. Because it uses a dedicated signal instead of your home Wi-Fi, it stays rock solid. Think about your internet router for a second. It is already fighting for its life with your phone, your laptop, and your streaming services. Adding 20 or 30 smart bulbs to that busy Wi-Fi signal is a recipe for a digital headache. This is where the premium system shines. The response is near instant. You tap a button on your phone or walk past a sensor and the room transforms without a second of hesitation. The colors are deep and rich. The dimming is incredibly smooth without any of that annoying flickering you see in cheaper brands. You can even sync these lights to your favorite films or video games. This makes the entire room feel like a physical extension of the screen. But you really pay for that level of polish. It is undeniably expensive. Every single bulb feels like a major investment. The setup takes a bit more brainpower because you have to link that bridge to your router before anything else happens. Then you look at the other side of the fence with Tapo. This is the ultimate accessible choice for the casual user. It is remarkably simple. You buy a bulb, you screw it in, and you connect it directly to your phone app. There is no extra hardware to hide behind your TV. There are no complicated bridges to configure. If you just want a single light in a corner to turn purple when you are reading, this is a fantastic way to go. It is approachable and very cheap. You could outfit an entire apartment for the price of just 3 or 4 of the expensive bulbs. But there is a massive catch to this convenience. Since these bulbs rely entirely on your Wi-Fi, they are more vulnerable. The more you add, the shakier the whole thing becomes. You will eventually deal with delays. You will find a random bulb goes offline for no apparent reason. The app is fine for basic tasks, but it lacks the deep professional level of automation found in high-end systems. It feels like a quick fix rather than a permanent home upgrade. One brand is for the person building a seamless lifestyle. The other is for the person who wants a smart light without doing any of the homework. The expensive system grows with you and stays stable even with 50 lights. The budget option starts to sweat as soon as the network gets crowded. One feels like a professional theater setup while the other feels like a handy gadget. If you want total reliability and the best color quality currently on the market, you save up for the ecosystem. If you just want to see if smart lighting is fun without breaking your budget, the simple route is your best entry point. It really comes down to whether you want a long-term tool or a simple digital toy.